Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Proven Properties has secured a $20 million loan from National Commercial Bank Jamaica. The funds will be used to finance a resort-style residential development in St. Ann, dubbed Soul Harbour. Speaking at the official signing of the agreement, co-founder and chairman of Proven, Peter Bunting, says the market has shown great interest in the offering.
All the units are sold. I think are reserved. Sometimes the team chooses to hold back a few units, but later in the cycle, closer to delivery of the units, because we've seen, for example, in some of our other projects, that the price appreciation between those who bought off the plan and those who waited until the project was almost at completion was significant, and the early investors were able to make a good turn on their money even before the properties, the sale was closed finally and the properties were delivered.
The project is set for completion in December 2025 at a total price tag of about $25 million. The development will consist of 2 7-story high-rises with 152 units, including 140 studios and 12 two-bedroom apartments. There will be mixed movements at the pumps starting Thursday. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 25 cents more. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will decline by $3.06. Kerosene will sell for $4.50 less. Propane will drop by 12 cents, while 42 cents will be cut from the cost of butane. Jamaica has received an estimated 2.5 million stopover visitors from January to November 29. Preliminary figures suggest an 18% increase over the same period in 2022 and a 10% increase over the same period in 2019. Senior advisor and strategist in the Tourism Ministry, Delana Seawright, says the country is on track to reach its target of 4 million visitors and foreign exchange earnings of $4.1 billion by the end of the year. He adds that the country continues to benefit from new airlift, especially for the winter tourist season.
Well, it's clear that we're going to have a very strong winter, probably the best winter ever. We have 3 airlines that will be flying to Jamaica for the first time ever, including North Atlantic Airways, which is an European carrier flying in from London, and will operate several flights per week between London and Montego Bay. We have jet lines out of Canada, also for the first time coming to Jamaica, with Toronto, Montego Bay flights, and we also have Flair, also another Canadian airline, and also coming to Jamaica for the first time ever. They'll be operating flights between Toronto and Kingston. So in the end, it's more visitors for our country, more revenues, more jobs, more benefits to our farmers, more benefits to other businesses around the island.
The Jamaican dollar gained 2 cents against the U.S. currency by the close of trading on Wednesday. It's costing an average $156.16 for $1. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.87. $196.74 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $174.29. To the stock market now, the JSE index gained 939 points today, while the junior market declined by 10 points. The 51 winners were led by 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Iron Rock Insurance Company, Margaritaville Turks, and Caribbean Cream. The 41 losers include Indus Pharma Jamaica, Paramount Trading Jamaica, CAC 2000, Access Financial Services, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. 16 stocks closed the session at the same price they started trading on Wednesday. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.